this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make my crackers for cake. So it's basically edible icing made to look like a cracker. So it's a cake decoration I usually use for Spiderwick. I'm using some of the Saracino skin tone, and you can add a little bit of pinch of a brown if you like to make it slightly darker. The cling film trick there is basically so that any dents or knocks or marks you make on it are slightly softened. So that's why I do that. I'm not cutting into it, I'm pushing the blade in, so that actually rounds off the edges when you do it as well. And I wanted these crackers in little pieces. Now I tried ripping them previously, but what happens is it just got really squashed. So I actually cut them with a knife. And then, as you can see, use a sharp pointed tool. So this is a Cherart hard point tool, or you can use a cocktail stick, just to make lots of dots and marks on the open edge, so the bit that's going to be looking inside the cracker. So now we're going to add that colour. Now in the ones on the Cake International stand where I did the Spiderwick feature, I airbrushed them with the magic colours one you can see. Here I've got some Fractal Colours Milk Chocolate, which is a glorious colour, and I'm not painting, I'm literally just dusting. So as you can see, it gives you those lovely marks on the bottom of the cracker where it looks like it's been baking. But we turn it over and then we just add, basically aiming right at the edge and letting the extra colour flick towards the middle. So but by starting on the edge, can you see that it makes the edges look slightly darker? Watch this bit again. There, see that dark stripe? So that makes it get the effect that the cracker is browning nicely in the oven. Now you can obviously make as many as you like. A little stack of crackers would look so cute, wouldn't it? But I did them for thimble tack, so for a Spiderwick field guide cake for a friend. Now I'm changing to the dark chocolate, which I think looks really cool. And I'm just going to add some dirty patches every now and again. You can make the hollows look dirty in some places, clean in others. Don't make every single part of the biscuit look the same colour. Just makes it so much easier. You can also spray it with a spray glaze as well, but let's have a look at what I did with it. And there it is. Take care. I will see you again.